Watching Bubble Bass be so mean. What the hell are you saying? Plankton!
Yeah, what's with all the beeping and booping?
I think he's trying to communicate with us.
Communicate with that gibberish.
Maybe he's trying to tell us something important.
Oh, now it's just one beep. What does that mean?
Seriously, what is going on here?
Maybe we should try to decipher it.
Or maybe we should just ignore him like always.
But what if he needs her help?
Ha! From Plankton, that'll be the day!
I think I got it. He wants us to follow him.
Follow him where? To his next failed attempt at stealing the Krabby Patty formula?
Yeah, let's go. This could be fun.
You guys are idiots, fine. I'll come to but only because I have nothing better to do.
Alright, everyone listen up! We're about to launch the Boeing Starliner rocket to study the surface above the ocean. This is a big deal, so let's make sure everything goes smoothly.
Aye aye, Captain SpongeBob,